In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit or delete filters in your Gmail account. We'll take you through each step to ensure you have a clear understanding of the process. Filters in Gmail can be an incredibly powerful tool, helping you manage your inbox by automatically sorting and organizing incoming messages. However, there may come a time when you need to edit or delete these filters, whether it's to refine the rules or simply clear out ones you no longer need. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. Once you're logged into your Gmail account, look towards the upper right-hand corner. You'll see a gear icon. Click on this icon to open the Settings menu. This menu will allow you to access various configuration options for your Gmail account, including the ability to customize filters. Next, click on See All Settings in the drop-down menu that appears. This will take you to a more comprehensive settings page where you can tweak various features to your liking. Look for the tab labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses. Click on it. Here, you'll find a list of all the filters currently set up for your Gmail account. This is where you have control over the existing filters and where you'll make any necessary changes. Scan through your list of filters until you find the one you want to edit or delete. If you have many filters, take your time to read through them to ensure you're selecting the correct one. If you wish to edit a filter, click on the Edit link next to the filter you want to modify. This will take you to a screen where you can adjust the criteria for that filter. You can change things like the sender's email address, subject lines, or keywords that trigger this filter. Once you've made your desired changes, click on Continue, then review your changes to make sure everything looks good. Finally, click Update Filter to save your changes. To delete a filter, simply click on the Delete link, which is also located next to the name of the filter you want to remove. A prompt will ask you to confirm your decision. Click OK to permanently delete the filter from your account. Remember, be cautious when editing or deleting filters, as changes can significantly impact how your emails are sorted. It's always a good practice to periodically review your filters to ensure they are still relevant and finely tuned to best handle your email organizational needs. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you should now be able to efficiently edit or delete filters in your Gmail account. With this new knowledge, your inbox can remain organized, saving you both time and stress. Thank you for watching, and as always, feel free to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks.